Right now, your private messages, your online payment information, and even your health records are traveling across the internet. But if someone intercepted that data right now, it's going to look like complete nonsense. That's not magic, it's encryption. And today, I'm breaking down what encryption is, how it works, and why it is one of the strongest shields you have online. In simple terms, encryption scrambles your data into unreadable code. Only someone with the right key can unlock it. Think of it like putting your information in a safe, and without the right combination, it's completely useless. The idea isn't new. Even as far back as World War II, the Germans used the Enigma machine to send secret military messages. The Allies couldn't read them until they cracked the code, and that changed the course of the war. Today, we use digital versions of that same principle, but instead of spies and submarines, encryption protects everything from your WhatsApp chats to your online banking. Here's how it works. Let's say your data, like a text message, gets run through an algorithm. The algorithm changes it into a format that is unreadable to other people. It's more like a jumble of random characters, and that is called ciphertext. Without the correct decryption key, it's impossible to read. And when I say impossible, I mean even with supercomputers. It could take millions of years to crack a very strong encryption. Now, there are two main types of encryption: symmetric encryption and asymmetric encryption. Symmetric encryption uses the same key to lock and to unlock, and this is very fast. It encrypts large amounts of data. Asymmetric encryption is different. It uses two keys: a public key, which is used to lock, and a private key, which is used to unlock. Now, this is the same form of encryption that is used by secure websites and emails. Now, when you see HTTP with an S in a URL on your browser, that means encryption is protecting the data that is being transferred between you and that website. So when you type in your credit card number, maybe on a payment page or something like that, hackers cannot just grab it midway or while it's been traveling across the internet. They may grab it, but they can't see what's inside. Or think of WhatsApp. When you send a message to maybe your friend, it has this thing called end-to-end encryption. Do you know what that means? It means that only you and the recipient, which maybe your friend or your family, can read that message. Even WhatsApp themselves cannot read what you wrote. Maybe. It's like mailing a locked box that only the person on the other end has the key for. Encryption is powerful, but it is also a double-edged sword. It protects your privacy, but cyber criminals can also use it to hide stolen data or communicate without being traced. That's the reason why debate over encryption often comes up between privacy advocates and law enforcement. But at the end of the day, one thing is for sure: without encryption, the internet that we know of today wouldn't be safe enough to trust with our personal information and our personal lives. That is it. Do you remember the first time you learned about encryption? Or maybe you didn't even realize it was protecting you all along. Let me know in the comments of this video. And here's one challenge for you. Next time you visit a website on your browser, check if it has this padlock sign on the URL bar or the browser bar. That's how you know that the data you are sending over the internet is encrypted and no one else can see it. If this video has helped you understand what encryption is and made it make sense to you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends and family who would also love to understand how encryption works and what it is about. So the next time you shop online, you send a message or maybe log into your bank, always remember there is an invisible lock protecting you. Stay smart, stay safe. CYBERMARK Z out.